Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As per usual, I'll get to it. So this sketch, I am not entirely sure about it. The first one just didn't quite work out. The jaw and the chin just, yeah, I wasn't overly happy with it. The second one I was a bit more happy, but I couldn't quite get the eyes. And the third one I actually ran out of space, so I couldn't get the jaw again, and that was just completely throwing me off, but I did get the eyes. So there was an aspect of all three of them I didn't quite manage to get, but as I've said before, I know where to go and how to rectify different sketches and how I would approach different things again. And I will actually be going back to it to see if I can approach it in a different way to gain better results essentially. So the first one took me 3 minutes, second one 2 minutes, and then the third one 2.5 minutes. And going from around about 5 minutes initially, like about a month ago, down to 2 minutes, down to a minute and a half. So yeah, I'm really quite happy with the actual results of more difficult and challenging positions. I know I can go back in, say, a week's time and try it again. Let me know what you think, and I'll get back to you.